Hello, all. In this pandemic, when everybody is busy cleaning all the objects they frequently touch and reducing the risk of infection, have you thought of that your car is a huge risk of you getting infection? According to a study, your car is a breeding spot of more than 700 types of bacteria and microorganisms that can cause various kinds of diseases like skin infection, food poisoning, and the latest coronavirus. So your car has many touch points from where those are the breeding spots of all the infection, like your outdoor door handle, your indoor door handle, the steering wheel, the remote of the car is a major spot that you touch a lot, the gear shift, the climate control that you maneuver a lot, and as per a study, the steering wheel is 4 times dirtier than a public toilet seat. And think of this, if you don't sanitize your car properly, you go out and get infection inside your homes to your family. So, the most traditional way of cleaning your car is by disinfectant and by cleaning them through a detergent or other modes of manual cleaning. But those are very time consuming, tedious, and a laborious job. Another latest trend in the market are these smoke machines that are being marketed as foggers, but these are very misleading product. They do not work. They are only stage smoke machines that are being sold in the market, and they only produce smoke. They do not disinfect the car. They consume a lot of energy, and they cannot be operated from the car's battery source. They need a 220-volt AC supply, so they are not portable. But there is a solution to this problem, and there is an easy way to disinfect your car. It's a UVC car disinfection system. UVC tubes is been used since 100 years now, and it has been proven that germicidal UVC tubes kill all kind of microorganisms by rupturing their DNA and thus making sure they do not replicate. The UVC tubes is operated by a car socket that goes into your cigarette lighter and gives out a 220-volt input, and thus you can operate this disinfection system on the go anywhere just by your car battery. The most advisable system for UVC car disinfection is the UVC car disinfection bag, where you get the car adapter plus the UVC bag. Use the bag to disinfect all your shopping, all your items that you purchase on the go from the market, or your electronics, or the car remote, or all the small objects that you touch a lot. Beauty of this product is that the tube that is used in this bag, the UVC tube, is detachable from the bag, and then you can use the tube only to disinfect the whole car, not only just the items in the bag. Just switch on the tube in the car and disinfect the whole car with any virus, bacteria, or any kind of microorganisms to eliminate the risk of any infection. Further, when you're done with your car, you can use the tube to disinfect the rooms or your wardrobes too. So, thus, if you buy one product, you can disinfect any object in your house or in your car. You can disinfect your car itself with the tube. Then you can also disinfect your whole house, your wardrobes, and your rooms with the tube. So, this is a multi-function. The UV bag has been certified from a NABL accredited lab to kill all kind of microorganisms. The system uses Philips UVC tube, which has been certified by Boston University to kill COVID-19. These UVC lamps from Philips have been in the industry since 35 years, and the UVC technology has been used since 100 years. So this lamp has been certified by n number of world renowned organization, proving to be effective against all kind of microorganisms. The tubes are really effective and kill COVID-19 in 40 seconds and other germs in 15 minutes. When the tube is used for the car disinfection, it can disinfect the car in 5 minutes for COVID 19 and for other germs in around 30 minutes. It is the most eco-friendly form of disinfection as does not use any harmful chemicals. It is very economical and it is super easy to use with no physical effort required. Travel safe and healthy in your car with this product. Disinfect your whole car easily or any product you purchase or use in the car often on the go. Commercial vehicles can use the product to ensure better safety for their customers and themselves. Purchase the product through our website online or for any bulk inquiries, contact us directly.